velvet shadows of my dreams. Many times I wish you were near, through the darkness as it came, but it seems that you never see what I needed to hear. Just tell me you love me. Whisper words say so long to hear. Let this time not be borrowed. Let it be yours to share. If you tell me you love me, it would lead the way to your heart. Through the mirrors of silence, you love me. Quietly I've waited for the memory born of our first kiss. Patiently I've waited for the moment you would take me to a world that I've never seen, that world